Hi, my name is Matthew with Garmin Product Support, and today I'm going to provide you with some quick tips for installing a microSD card, also known as a memory card, into your zūmo 396. You may choose to install a microSD card on your zūmo 396 when adding additional mapping to your device, like different regions or different countries. Installing a blank microSD card will allow the download option. You also can purchase additional mapping on pre-programmed microSD cards, which you would also install. Start by looking at the back of the device. The word zūmo should be readable. You will also see two sealed rubber doors. We are looking for the larger door at the top. Place your finger in the small space directly above the larger door and pull to open it. Next, we will need to open the lock. Slide the small metal bracket to the left and lift it up to expose the connections for the microSD card. You will then gently lay the microSD card with the brass colored connections face down into the adapter and gently push the microSD card into place. Note, the contacts must be completely covered by the memory card. No part of the brass colored contacts should be visible. Push the metal bracket down over the microSD card and slide the bracket to the right. This will secure the microSD card in its place, ensuring it is locked in. Finally, re-secure the rubber door into place. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.